Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today we're going to go over the 10 essential purchases for new RVers. When you first buy your RV, there's going to be some items that you're going to need that aren't necessarily going to come with your RV. Number one, leveling blocks or some sort of leveling system. Your RV needs to be level for the RV appliances or the holding tank sensors to work properly. Some RV campsites are not level, so you're going to need a way to do that. Leveling blocks or a leveling system, such as a curb leveler, is the way to do that. Number two, wheel chocks. You're going to want to make sure that your RV doesn't roll away unintentionally. A set of wheel chocks will stop that from happening. Number three, a voltage protector. A voltage protector will help protect you and it will help protect your RV and RV appliances and other electrical devices that could be plugged into your RV. Sometimes the power pedestals at the campsites are not wired properly. Sometimes there's high voltage or surges. Sometimes there's low voltage. A voltage protector will help to protect you and your RV from all of those things. Number four, RV power adapters. Sometimes you need to plug in your RV and the power pedestal power doesn't match the amperage of what your RV power cord is. Let's say, for example, your RV is a 30 amp, but the power pedestal is a 50 amp. You're going to need a 50 to 30 amp adapter in order to plug your RV in. You're also probably going to want to plug your RV in at home in order to prepare for your next RV trip. A lot of people don't have 30 amp and 50 amp outlets at home. So a 15 to 30 or a 15 to 50 amp adapter would be the way to make that happen. And if you're using a generator to power your RV, you might need some sort of adapter for that as well. Number five, extension cords. You get to the campsite and you go to plug in your RV and find out the cord's too short. An extension cord will help prevent that from happening. Number six, water filters. Why do you need a water filter? A water filter is going to help improve the taste and smell of your drinking water, and it's going to help reduce the contaminants in the drinking water itself. Number seven, drinking water hoses. Camco's drinking water hoses are different from garden hoses because they are lead-free, phthalate-free, and BPA-free, and they make it so that your water tastes not like a garden hose. Number eight, RV sewer hose kit. You're going to need an RV sewer hose kit because as you're camping and using any kind of water, whether it's in the toilet or the sink, you're going to need to get rid of that waste somehow. An RV sewer hose kit will help you to connect to your campsite dump station or to a tote tank in order to transport your waste to the campground dump station. Number nine, RV holding tank treatments. RV holding tank treatments will help to reduce those odors as well as break down any waste and tissue, making them easier to empty. And number 10, RV toilet paper. I know it doesn't seem like a big deal, but RV toilet paper is essential for your RV holding tanks because it breaks down a lot easier than residential toilet paper, preventing your RV plumbing from getting clogged. So there you have it, the 10 essential purchases for new RVers. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.
Camco.